Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be unboxing the Chic Beauty Box. The Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription box. And if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome all my newbies to my channel and all of my veterans to my channel. If you don't know me and you're new to my channel, my name is Aisha. This is a makeup subscription box channel because I absolutely love makeup. So I try all the makeup subscription boxes that I truly think will be fit for me, that I love, and I share it on my channel. So if you guys love makeup subscription boxes, I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. I love makeup so much that I actually do hauls on this channel as well. I show you a lot of my collection of my makeup myself. And I do lots of mystery boxes. I'm doing advent calendars since it's the holiday season. Anything makeup related, you're gonna see here. So if you're a makeup junkie just like me, then subscribe, become a part of the fam. Welcome to the fam. Welcome to the fam. Alrighty, so I love that the box this month, well, actually, like I said, it's bi-monthly. So this is the November December box. And I just got this box, I want to say like maybe like 4 days ago, but I finally get a chance to filming it because, like I said, it's holiday season and I'm super busy with work. November, December is the busiest season for me in my industry. So your girl is booked and busy, but I will always make time. I'm going to try to bang out these boxes even though I'm busy with work. So just bear with me, guys. Normally, I post every single day. So I know you guys are probably like, where is Aisha? She's normally on here every single day. I can guarantee you after the holiday season, I'll be back to being consistent every single day. But please understand that I do have a full-time job and sometimes it gets a little crazy, especially in this season, holiday season. I have speaking of holiday, I have my Christmas shirt on here. I think it says it's the most wonderful time of the year, but you guys just can't see it. So I thought I'd just stand up just to, give a little contribute to my shirt. I've been wearing like lots of holiday stuff when I'm posting my videos because I love the season and I have tons of like Christmas sweaters and shirts. So that's what you're gonna see all for the month of December. I am going to be posting this, and then right after, I have an advent calendar that I had here for like, I want to say like 3 weeks now. I got this cool 12 days of beauty it's actually a Trader Joe's advent calendar. It's been sitting here and I'm like, I'm curious to see what's in here. I've been doing a lot of advent calendars on my channel, So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, and also if you guys want to see what other advent calendars I've been posting on my channel, I'll leave that down in the link below so you can see all the other advent calendars I've been posting. I have a lot more advent calendars, but I've been trying to break it up into some boxes. We'll film that afterwards. So if you guys want to see what's in that, watch my next video. But for this video, let's see what's in this bad boy right here. So thumbs up already for the color of the box because normally it's pink. And it says special edition on the box. We get a little card, which I love when they give the cards. So that's the cards. And then it tells you like you could get variation 1 or 2. Alrighty. Ooh. Alright, so let me try to give you guys a little sneak peek. Sneak peek. Alrighty. So what I like about this box and why I'm subscribed to this box is because it's all makeup. all makeup, a true makeup subscription box. I mean, it kind of sucks that you don't get it every single month because it is bi-monthly, but when you get it, you're excited for it because it is all makeup. And it's $35 a month. It's $34.99, so we'll just round it to $35 not a month, every other month. So it's a little bit more up there in price compared to all my other makeup subscription boxes, but you're only getting it once every other month, so I guess it kind of balances that out. I honestly didn't get to pick anything that I was too crazy about because whenever these makeup subscription boxes, you get to pick your choice for these boxes, but whenever you get to pick the choices for the boxes, I'm always at work, so normally I pick my choices during my break, but by the time I get my lunch break, all the good stuff already taken already. So I don't even know what I got, to be honest, in this box because I have so many boxes, and this is like a 2 month type of box, bi-monthly, so Lord knows when I picked my choice with this box, but let's see what I picked and let's see what I got. So the first thing I got on this from this box is an NYX palette, which I love NYX. These are the colors here, which actually they're not too bad. I like, and I have a lot of their let me see if I can open this plastic so you guys can see a little bit better. These are the colors here. But these are like colors that I like to wear. I love like corally, bronze, purple, golds, greens, all the colors that I like to wear. So right off the bat, I do love the palette. This palette is a whopping $20. So it looks like I got variation number 2 on this side. The next thing I got is the Too Faced Hangover to Go primer, which I actually already have already. Okay, so I actually already own this already. I already have a little makeup on it, so you guys know I actually use it. So the new one I'm probably gonna give away for my next giveaway. The two, I just had a contest not too long ago where I gave 2 beautiful curated boxes of stuff to 2 of my lucky subscribers. They both messaged me and let me know they got their packages safely, so I'm very glad you guys got your boxes and you're happy with it. My next giveaway will be when I hit 1,000 subscribers. That giveaway will be international because some of my subscribers are not from United States. I live in United States, but that one's gonna be international. So because also there are people who subscribe to people's channel that's from all over, so I want everyone and anyone to get a chance to win my next giveaway. That's gonna be when I reach like my truly when I reach that milestone. I'm gonna be so happy and so proud when I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I mean, for me personally, when I first started my channel, I never even thought I'd get 100 subscribers, let alone over 500 subscribers. So I'm super appreciative for everyone who's been subscribing to my channel. But my next giveaway will be when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. But I curate all of these stuff, the things that I already have. As you guys can see, I have like a lot of stuff. Let alone I do like a gazillion subscription boxes. So I do like to give back, and I give a lot of stuff back. So I'll start creating my giveaway for future. So this will be added to my giveaway. This one has SPF 25 in it, so good. When I previously had bought this, I bought it because I was going to be going on vacation. I bought it, I want to say, like last summer when I went away on a cruise. I didn't honestly even use it, but I love the original one. This is the original. I have the original too. I love the original. So I figured I'd get the one with the sunblock in it. What I like about this sunblock is it doesn't have like a cast, like an ashy cast to it, so it doesn't mess up your makeup. I think I used it maybe once on my cruise, and then your girl forgot about it. You know, when you're on vacation, you don't want to put anything on your face, so I was giving you bare face for vacation. But I do love Too Faced's primers. They are amazing. So whoever gets that, I hope you enjoy it. That retails for $35. So the box was $35 and this primer alone was $35. So this is what I love about these makeup subscription boxes. Like, you really get your bang for your buck. And I just got one thing that's the whole price of the whole box. So love this because you really like, for people like me who like trying new stuff, you don't, I was gonna try new stuff anyway, but now I don't have to like spend so much. So makeup subscription boxes are the best. Alrighty, so the next thing I got here is a Yves Saint Laurent. Okay. This is a glossy stain. Oh, I don't know if I like this color though. And I do have a lot of Yves Saint Laurent lip colors. I don't know if I should open this because I may give it away. I mean, it's coral and it's to say, okay, I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Let's see what this looks like. It's a coral. Oh yeah, I could definitely use it. It's just like a tint of coral. I can use that. It's just like a glossy tint. So that's what it looks like again. Super excited for this. You see what I'm saying, guys? This is all makeup. If you want just all makeup, and I know, a lot of my subscribers, they say like, oh, well, they love the skincare because you don't want to like pay when you buy skincare the full price. And trust me, I love skincare too. Like all these cubes on the bottom are all skincare. So trust me, your girl loves skincare, but like I only have one face. And once you open something, the lifespan starts. So if I have 10 moisturizers, if I get 10 moisturizers from all my subscription boxes, like how long is that going to take me to use 10 moisturizers? And I can only use one at a time because if I'm using 5 different moisturizers, how am I going to know what's really working and what's not? So I know what to replenish. If I'm using 5 moisturizers and my skin is looking nice, I don't really know what was the one that was making my skin look nice and doing the stuff that it's supposed to do for it. So you can only use them one at a time. So that's why I'm like, I have the moisturizers that I like for now. If it's something that I'm really curious in, I will keep it. But 9 times out of 10, I just give most of my skincare away. Um, that I'm trying to think what was my choice here. I think the palette was my choice, and this was my choice. This is a round the clock eyeliner from Bare Minerals. This is a dark brown one. I have a lot of black pencils, but sometimes I think I want to do like brown if I want to look a little bit more natural. So I got this brown pencil. It's called Round the Clock. And the Bare Minerals pencils are actually really nice. They go on nice and smooth. And for this being a brown, look how dark and pigmented it is. So their pencils are really, really, really nice. I have the black one. I think the black one is called like Midnight or something like that. But yes, love, love, love that. So, oh, there's one more thing in here. One more thing. I got a Maybelline brush. I didn't even know Maybelline had brushes. Let's see what this brush looks like. It's in a little thing, so I'm going to try to take the thing off. Okay, so I finally took it out of its packaging. This brush is actually really soft. Does it say what kind of brush it is? I would use this kind of like a contour, or I would actually use it for powder. This brush feels very soft, and for a Maybelline brush, for a drugstore brush, to be honest with you, this brush feels really, really nice. So I'm super excited for this. So let's see everything. That's the ending of my box. I love like the inside. It has little snowflakes in there, very holiday season. But let's see what I got in my box. I got this Maybelline powder contour brush, which retails for $10.99. Not too shabby. I got this Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. It was $40. Wow, wow, you really, wow. See why I love makeup subscription boxes? I got this primer. This retails for $35. I got this eye pencil. The eye pencil retails for $17. And I got this eyeshadow palette, which retails for $20. So it was all makeup. All makeup. I loves it. I loves it. I loves it. I loves it. I think this is one of the subscription boxes that I'm always going to just like love. So all of these goodies I will be keeping. The only thing I'm going to be giving away is a primer because like I said, I already have it already and it feels, this one I use a lot. The original I use a lot. As you can see, it has more of a dent in it. This one, it has SPF 25, so I only use it when it's like hot out, but it's winter time, so I don't know how much I'm going to actually get to use this. So it makes no sense in opening another one. I'll just give it away. So, let's see. For this box, I will give it an 8 out of 10. I love that it was all makeup, which is why I gave it 8 out of 10. Was there anything in here that I was just like, wow, I really wanted this, I really want to try it? No, and that's why I only gave it like an 8. But then again, I am a makeup junkie and I've tried practically everything anyway, because I've tried the primer, I have the liner in black, so yeah. Let's see what was in the other variation. It was variation number 1. That one got a Kevin Aquan highlighter. It did get an Yves Saint Laurent gloss stain. It got an Yves Saint Laurent eyeshadow palette, which I would have loved to try. But your girl got the last pickings of the choices because when they had to pick it, I didn't get a chance to pick them. It was a Revlon stain and a Maybelline powder brush. So I got the contour brush, the other person got the powder brush. So I probably would have liked the other box better, to be honest with you. But beggars can be choosers. And I'm happy that at least with the subscription box, you do get to choose some stuff as opposed to like other subscription boxes. You don't get a choice at all. Like you get what you get and that's it. I do like that they tell you the total value of your box at the bottom. So it says my box was $122.99 right here. And it says not including the tax. Alrighty, so that concludes my box. What do you guys think about my box? Do you guys, anybody have the Chic Beauty box? What do you guys think about it? I liked it a lot. Super excited to try all my new items. Stay tuned for my next video so you guys can see what I got in my 12 Days of Beauty Trader Joe's Advent Calendar. I love Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's and I love Whole Foods. I try to eat healthy. I don't eat healthy all the time, but I try. And I was just doing my grocery shopping in Trader Joe's like 2 weeks ago, and I was like, oh, they have an Advent calendar. So, and everything's gonna be all clean and natural. So, I love like a lot of vegan, natural products. So, super excited to try this. So, stay tuned for my next video for that. And that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you loved my video, you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It is appreciated. And that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next video.